welcome back, and today I want to talk about cut-in painting. If you don't know what this is a cut-in brush. See the little angle? You guys still use tape and tape up all around your doorways and your ceiling to try not to get paint everywhere when you're painting? Well, stop doing that. This is much easier. If you remember, if you're old like me, let me start that way. Back in the 90s, there was this awesome TV show. It was called Room by Room. It was on HGTV. It had two hosts, Matt and Sherry. I loved them because they were kind of goofy. But Matt taught me how to cut in paint and saved all my hard work. I would spend hours putting blue painter's tape up everywhere, and I would still get it to leak through, and always disappointed in the results, until he showed me how to paint with a cut-in brush. And that's what we're going to cover today, so let's get to it. Okay guys, first thing you want to do is you want to go out and get yourself a cut-in brush. And this is a 2-inch cut-in brush. The bristles are about 2 inches wide. That's the kind I like. That's about the right size for me. I also like these with a short handle. I just think it's easier to hold, especially when you're up on a ladder. It's more comfortable for me. How you're going to cut in paint is you're going to just dab a little bit of paint on the end of the brush. And you don't want to get too much on there. You want it to be just nice and even along the edge. And then what you're going to do is you're going to go into your corner or along your trim or along your ceiling, wherever you're going to cut in paint, and you're just going to push the paint into the corner. You want to push it right up to the edge of whatever you're painting against, and that will get you that line right down. Let's take a look at some of the techniques I use as I cut in paint. Well, hey guys, that's all we have for today. I hope that helps somebody out there, helps them learn how to paint with a cut-in brush. It's much easier, it's much faster. You may have to spend a little bit more time putting a couple more coats on, but when you do it this way, it's really a much faster job. So let me know what you think, leave a comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thanks for watching, I appreciate you guys. We'll see you next time.